I've got to stop this reverse. Think, you disco duck, think.
What's that squirmel under your shirt?
Oh!
I want to hear a space story.
Let's see. Snow White Dwarf and the Seven Red Dwarfs, The Fountain of Aging.
It is just a legend. Sup, kids ready?
Professy's back. Ew, you smell like smoking.
We've got to hurry. The kids have only one change of pants.
We gotta be real careful to stay in just long enough to make us all right ages again.
Oh no!